Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we bring the label printer to you, and why we recommended this product to you today. Just keep watching, and we'll tell you why. First reason is high traffic. Why? Because you see the screenshot here is according by the Summer Rush. You can see there is 100,000 monthly search of the keyword label printers. And also you can see the screenshot of the Google Trends. In the past 12 months, the label printer has really stable and good performance in Google Trend. So if you list these products on your online shop, I think there are a lot of organic search from the online. Second reason is a new version of the label printers. This printer is not you have seen before. It's not only print the text, it only can print the pictures, the photos on your phone. And also, this printer is a good toy for your kids. Why? Check videos. And when you print a black and white flowers, and after the print out, and your kids can color it by the color of the pictures. So it's not only a device, it's only a toy for your kids. The third reason is a broad audience. So this device system's language is multi-language, so you can sell the products to the customers in North America, in Latin America, and even if in the Europe. And this device can use for a lot of scenarios. For example, name tag, price tag, storage tag, cable tag, and also index tag. And don't forget, also you can print these labels and stick on your food when you open the food and notice your customers when the food will be expired. Final reason is most important because the final reason is determining how much you can earn for selling these products. So if you buy these products from eCommerce.net, it's 10 US dollars, and the shipping cost to the global is 9 to 12 US dollars. And you can see the average selling price online is around 36 to $50. So you can calculate how many the profit margins. I will check the answer. Is 40 to 50% profit margin. Don't jump out. Keep watching. I will show the product's functions. Thank you for watching today's videos. If you want to see more products, just leave the comments below and we will keep delivering the new products to you. If you like these videos, don't forget to press like and don't forget to subscribe us. Ciao!